clean plastic bottle with a slit cup for coins. Have a grown-up do this. Colored paper or gift wrap, bottle caps, beads, old thread spools, or pieces of straw for the feet, scissors, tape, double-sided if you have it, glue. You can make this. Let's get started. We'll need scissors and paper to start. First, we'll cut some ears. Don't forget the inner ears. That looks good. Now a skinny piece for the tail. Fold it like this for a crazy pigtail. What a fun tail. Set those aside. Where is that bottle? We'll need some more paper too. Glue or tape the paper on. Make sure you cut your coin slot in the paper. Great. Ready to put on the ears? Some glue. No, wait. Tape. Now tape on one ear, more tape, and 2 ears. Now what? How about some feet? Your pig will need 4. Now some glue. One at a time, you feet. That's better. Good job. Now the rest. 2, 3, 4. Let that dry. We need to make some small circles for the eyes and nose. Paper and scissors, I think. The eyes first. 2 of them, please. Whoa, that's great. Now the nose. Glue or tape onto the piggy bank. Something's missing. Of course, the tail. Glue or tape it on. What a handsome pig. This pig needs some money to be a real piggy bank. What else can you make from stuff you have around the house? Use your imagination and see what you can make. Check out the websites in the description below for more great ideas.